Chai, my people, not be small something, oh. Things they happen. What a wicked one, my people. Not be small something. If you know, say, you define house girl. You know, if you treat the house girl as your own son or your own daughter, make una no dey collect another person pikin una go dey maltreat am. My people, as I cross this video, I will talk to lies. If una see wetin this madam do to this house help, my people, tears go fall for una eye. This woman no dey give this girl food. This woman go lock this small girl, put for inside toilet, make this girl dey drink toilet water. My people wicked for this life. I don't know, things really dey happen. As I cross this one, I tears. I don't know why some women, all those people, when they find house help, they know if they see house help, they know if take the house help as their own son or their daughter. I don't understand. My people, may not come be say I too talk for inside this video. I go leave on her Mona for watch this video. What a wicked woman this woman be,
I think maybe if you stand up.
Blessing.
She don't go to school? No. Blessing, how are you? How old are you?
Climb on top the toilet seat. Now I will see you.
Let me come on this side first. Let's do it this way.
Make you no follow.
No. I will hold it. All right. I will hold it.
I climb for the toilet seat. Now I will see you.
Okay. How old are you? Huh? 13 years. Are they your parents? So why did they lock inside the toilet?
Because I went to somewhere.
Where did you go to?
I went and buy something.
Okay. Do you go to school? Eh? So when last do you go to school? Huh? You don't need to go to school. Where's your mother and your father? Huh? What about your mother? So they lock it. Did they put food for you inside that place? Is there food there?
Is that water?
Is there water in that place? There's no food, there's no water. So who locked inside the toilet there? Your auntie. What about your auntie's husband? Since when? So your auntie went where? Where's her shop? Mega chips. Sorry. This one a wickedness. So.
See that guy they see.
So help me, pass me the phone. Let me just get a picture of her. Right. Can you see your face?
So that you see your face.
I can't see this.
Blessing.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, go. Stand up.
Stand up here. Sorry, eh? You want to still stay here? I want to go. Eh? You want to go, right? Eh? Okay, I'll come back for you, yeah? So, fine way to. How are you now? What's your name?
Blessing.
Blessing, right?
Yes.
Okay, who locked you inside that place now?
It's my auntie.
You want to lock you inside the place?
Yes.
Is there food inside that place?
No.
No water?
No.
So how do you drink water?
Till they come back.
Till they come back? Sorry. So how long? Since when they lock here?
Since in the morning.
Since morning. What about your auntie's husband?
He went to work.
He went to work. Was he aware that they locked you here?
Yes.
He's aware? Okay.
My people, sure, and I don't watch this video. As I cross this one, tears fall for my eye. Pikin, when you know say you know born, you know open your ikpekus, you know they not tell your ikpekus stay born. You would maltreat another person. Pikin, this life no balance. So if you know say you know fit treat the house help as your own daughter, no they collect another person pikin, you go dey maltreat am. Okay, now this one never grow. Now when they go say she don grow up or she don be matured girl, maybe she go dey chance you dey collect your husband. No, so more pikin so na this woman dey maltreat. My people, na here now I want for leave una. Thank you guys for watching, and I so much appreciate you guys. Ciao ciao everyone. Bye bye.